Hey Jenny, this is Ann Morphew, and I'm going to give you a private video to let you understand that there are categories of grades, and our syllabus actually points that out. And some of our early videos actually said we have a lot of participation grades, and the outlines are involved in that, and each of those will count for a small bit. Those little bits add up. Then we have 4 speech grades for W01, and that's worth 40% of our grades. So participation is 40, but each one's not worth as much. And those 4 speech grades are worth 40% of your grades, so that's like 10 points each to your grade point average. Finally, we have 4 written assignments, and each of those will merge to be about I don't know how many points. Let's go look. So if you're going to want to put them on your little bonus points on informative outline and persuasive outline, may not be the best place. And I don't always tell everybody that because you have a right to consciously choose where you want points. But let's look at your grades. Right now, your final calculated grade is 86 out of 100. And you can see the engagement participation is worth a total of 40%. Right now you've got 33 points out of 40%. So each of this, the little quiz, was worth 3 points to your GPA. The week 1 survey, if you read the feedback I added today, you could have read the June 11th one, but it says you can still do this. Just follow the directions right there in the June 11th feedback. And you could get those 3 points. Just think, you had a 86, you could have an 89 if you get that easy 100 for doing week 1 survey correctly. Lots of hundreds, and I have the comment boxes open. I don't know if I can get there. I'll unhide some of the comments if I don't see it. But each time you can see the participation. If you have a participation grade, it only is like 3 points for each one. So that's on the informative outline where you want to put something, and on the demo outline or something like that. Let's see if I can see it. Okay, so if you wanted to put something on a demo outline, you're already got 3 out of 3 with the 85. Where's the informative one you said? Okay, so there's the informative one. You earned a 61, and that was 2 out of 3. So the biggest thing you're going to do is kick it up 1 GPA point if you do it in a participation grade. Now, let's go down to your speeches. The speech category, you currently have 35 points out of 40% of your total grade. So when you got a 91, you earned 12 out of the 13% you could get there. On your informative, you had a 90, so you got 12 out of 13% you can get there. And I don't know if putting, 11 points? Yeah, 11 points is going to, kick this over, but I'd consider putting it on speeches. Here, how about on the demo speech? If you put that into a 91, that might become a 12 out of 13, so it actually kicks your GPA up a point. And then you have 4 written assignments, I think. 100. The TED Talk might make a difference. It's 5 out of 7% of your final grade. So that written category, you currently have 18 out of 20. What I'm telling you is calculate. Think strategically. And if you choose, I will write you a quick little email and give you this little video link, but if you choose, you can tell me a different place to put it. If you don't, I don't mind. You go right ahead and keep your 86, and I look forward to seeing I don't think you had your final paper in yet. I don't know if you had both your speeches in yet. So you got your demo speech, so you still have to do the persuasive speech. And your final paper, yeah, is still due. Think about it. You're awesome, and now you know one more strategy for academic strength.